Your computer makes billions of decisions every second. Every one of them comes down to 3 tiny machines. A logic gate takes bits in and puts 1 bit out, following one fixed rule. In hardware, that's all a decision is. The AND gate outputs 1 only if both inputs are 1. Both switches on, current flows. Either one off, nothing. The OR gate outputs 1 if either input is 1, and the NOT gate just flips whatever it gets. 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. That's the entire toolkit. Wire these 3 together and they add numbers, compare passwords, and decide every pixel on your screen. Every chip you own is millions of gates, layered. 3 rules, billions of decisions. Logic gates are how switches think.